So, hello everyone. My name is Shahid, and I'll be the trainer for today's class. Oh, HTML, the web designing and web development. Okay. So I think everyone can see my screen now. Give me a moment. Yeah. Now everyone can see my screen, right? Good. Just raise up your hands. Okay. Sure, Manas, Sharat, everyone. Okay. Good. Everyone can see my screen now. Okay. So yesterday it's recapping of the last session. So let me teach you something different today. Like, let me have this H1. H1 means adding one opening tag and closing tag. Let me write welcome. Okay. Yesterday we learned that there is something called as font families. Font family. Like we have a background color. Like we have color. Similarly, we have this font family property. Font family property. Here you will be writing the font name. For example, we have Arial, we have Helvetica, we have Georgia, we have a lot of font families, right? So you can write here this font family names. According to the font family names, here the font will be changing. See, for example, if I'm writing here Georgia, see, the font family changes. Okay, if I'm writing here Helvetica, see, the font family changes. This condition, this applies here whatever the universal fonts are there, like Georgia, whatever the universal fonts are there, here everything here you can apply. Okay. What if you want to apply some kind of different fonts which are not universal, which are made by yourself or made by any company, and you want to apply here? In that condition, what you can do is you can just like people remember, this is very important step I'm gonna show now. Just go to Google. Okay, google.com. Just go to google.com and type Google fonts. Google fonts. Type Google fonts. Click on here. Okay. Now see, we have we have thousands of fonts. We have hundreds of fonts here. See, I can write my name in Hindi. I can write. See, I can write my name in Hindi. I can write my name here. But I want my name. I can. I want whatever the heading is there here. Welcome H1. I want it to be styled like in such type like a type of kind of cursive writing. Ah, this one. I love this one. See, let me take this one. I'll import this font here. You just have to do it like click here, select this style. Okay, then do it like just go to embed, not on review. Do not click on review or don't do anything here. Just click on embed and copy this link here. Why to copy this link? Because this CSS should get to know from where to take this font. We have a font family here. You just have to copy this font family and paste it over here in your code. Okay. Sorry. Just have to copy this one. Just paste it here. See, the font changes, but not this. I want this kind of font, not something else. So you just have to copy this link first before adding the font family. Just copy the link first and add here on top of HTML, on top of everyone. Let it be whatever here on top of everything. Paste this link. See, now I have got the font family. Similarly, I can drag any of the font families here. Any kind of font family I can take from here, from Google Fonts. I can just apply here. I can make it much more interactive. Okay, people, I think everyone have understood the font family process. Okay, if you have understood, just raise up your hands. I'll understand whether you have understood or not. Okay, Sharad have understood. Maras. Okay, most of you have understood. Okay, please raise down your hands. Okay, great. Now do it like Those who have questions, you people raise the hands. Let me ask who have the questions. If anyone have any questions, please raise your hand. No questions, right? Great. Let us move forward now. I think everyone can hear me clearly, or else, do we have any disturbance in the voice? No, right? We have a clear. Okay. Now the next thing. First thing you have understood this one, right? How to import, yeah, how to import the fonts. Second thing, we change the background color. Background color. See, when we are applying colors here, when only the colors we can apply is on whatever the colors we know. For example, we can apply, white. We can apply. Okay, we can apply black. We can apply blue. We can apply red, yellow, green, whatever it is. What if the color is out of the range? You know, the name of the color. What we don't know the name of the color, but the color looks different. In this image, see this kind of color. It's kind of silver grayish color. Even I don't know the name of the color, but I want this kind of color. What to do with that type? Now, there is something called as hexadecimal code. I think most of the programmers know this. Hexadecimal. There's something called as hexadecimal. Almost the base lies from 0 to 9. Don't drag your head into this and don't get it messed up. I'm just recapping the session. Like, see, take that kind of color. Just go to Google. Just go to Google and type color picker. Okay. You can select any of the color from here. See, you can drag this line, select any of the color from here. I told you I want silver color, right? You can just drag your phone here, and you can just point this mouse until the color changes here. Yes, this color is awesome. And you should just do it like you should just copy this code here, whatever the code is there here, including hashtag. You should copy this code. Okay. After copying this code, you just have to come here and paste here. That's the background color. Instead of name of the color, you should just paste here. See, we've got the color now. Whatever the color we want, we can just take it from there. Okay, see this color. I don't know the name of the color, but then too I have got this beautiful color. Okay. Now we have got right how to import the colors. Any doubts? Any questions, people? If you have no doubts, if you have understood everything, please raise up your hand so that I can understand whether you have understood it. Okay. See. ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. Okay, great. Everyone are raising up their hands. Great. If you have any doubts, any questions, you can just unmute yourself and you can ask. No questions, no doubts. Let me move forward. Okay, we'll see what happens. See, yesterday we have one small assessment for everyone. This image will be giving you the image ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಇಮೇಜ್ ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೆಬ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಸೇಮ್ ವೆಬ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಸರು ನಿಮ್ ಬೇರೆ ನೀವು ಹಾಕೋತೀರಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹಾಕಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹಾಕಿ ಯೋವಿಶ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನೇನ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಮೇಜ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ವೈಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ವೈಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೈಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್, ಇದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೂತಿದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. Okay, now people understand. Now there is something called as let me teach you here. There is something called as padding. P-A-D-D-I-N-G. Padding. Okay. Padding, you see, I'll just apply this, you will see the difference. Okay. Yeah, I'll just do it like 10 pixels, padding 10 pixels. See, it gives you more space here. Around this welcome, it gives you more space here. Okay, if you are applying here 20, see, it gives you more space here. Everyone have understood the padding, right? It gives you space on the element, whatever the element is there. If you have understood, please raise up your hand so they can understand whether you have understood this padding or not. Padding property. Okay, Chandala, I have understood. Yashwant understood. It is Saida, Ramya, Kishore. Okay, most of you have understood. Great. Let me tell you now. Pairing. See, it's pairing. We have the different kind of this one. See, I told you here, right? Here we have more gap, white, white. Here we have less gap. How to do that? Let me tell you. Pairing, we have different types of pairing. For example, let me know this. Pairing top we have. You can give 2 pixels. Okay. Similarly, I want more gap in bottom. I have pairing bottom. Okay. I'll give 20 pixels. See, I got more gap in bottom. You have pairing left. You have. I'll give 40 pixels. See, pairing right. Similarly, you have pairing right. Okay. This way you can adjust the gap where you want. This can be used in positioning your elements also. Positioning your properties, whatever you have, this can be used in positioning also. Okay, your wish. However you want, you can use, but the assessment should be completed. Okay, there is a question here. You can just unmute yourself and you can ask Chandana.
Sir, in that background color, what is that ash 8 CALS, sir? I didn't get that.
This is a hexadecimal code for color.
Okay, sir.
Instead of color name,
Okay,
if you, for example, I don't know any color name, but here there is a color, different
okay,
color, but I don't know the name of this color. Okay, at that time what I'll do is
okay,
I'll just go to Google. I'll just go to Google and type color picker.
okay, sir.
Okay, from here I'll choose any color I want. See, I choose any color I want. I'll just do it like I'll copy
Okay,
this hexadecimal code from here.
okay, sir.
Okay, I'll copy and we'll just put here. As soon as I put here,
Uh, yes, sir.
see, I'll get that color.
Okay.
Okay,
So what is
they've
that
understood.
above one? So the cursive and the family something like that. The above line.
This one, this is a
Font
font
family,
family.
sir.
Yes, font family name it is that we have imported from Google. Chandra,
Okay,
just
sir.
now you have joined the class, is it?
Yes, sir, like few minutes back.
Okay, don't have to worry. This is a
Okay,
recapping.
sir.
Yesterday also we did. I'll do it again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if this is a font family we have imported from Google. Okay,
Okay, sir.
if you have any doubts,
No, sir.
I should show how to import the this one from Google. Let me show you
Yes, sir.
again.
It's all cool, sir. Yes,
Okay, font family. Let me show you again. Just have a look on this carefully. Okay. First of all,
okay, sir.
see, we have something called as we have a special property with us that is called as font family. This font family. Font family is nothing but you can just put your name here. Like in Word also you have fonts. No, you can change any of the fonts here.
Yes,
So
sir.
you can just put the font family name here. For example, I want Arial, I want Georgia, any of the color. For example, if I'm changing the font family name here, here the font changes. Okay, let me change
Yes.
the change this to okay Georgia. See, font family changes. Okay, if I want
Yes.
Helvetica, so we have this condition is only applicable whenever there is no, universal fonts. Helvetica, Georgia, everything. Okay, so what if there is a different font I want to use? You just have to go. In that case, you just have to go to google.com and type Google fonts. Type Google fonts. Click on this link, first link. Okay, and just we have n number of fonts here. Hundreds of fonts we have here. See, a lot of fonts. I can write my name in Hindi. I can write in English. We have a lot of fonts. Let me. I want that to be written in a cursive writing. Let me search for any of the cursive writing here. Okay. Just got to be written in a cursive writing form. See, I love this one. This one. Okay. I'll just do it like, I'll just click on it. I'll just do it like select this style. Okay. I'll just do select this style and click on embed. As soon as click on embed, I should copy this link. Whatever the link Google gives me, I should copy this link. I should paste it on top of my code in HTML. I should paste it on top of my code. Okay. As soon as I paste it, we have a font family here. This font family we should paste there. So here I should paste this. As soon as I paste here, see, now the font changes. Isn't it like magic? You have understood this, Chandra?
Yes, sir.
You have understood, right? However, I'll be giving you sharing this video. You will be understanding more clear. Okay. I think everyone have understood this pairing part, right? Please let me know if you have any doubts, any questions. Just raise up your hands if you have any questions if this padding part, padding left, padding top, padding bottom. Anyone have any questions? Just raise up your hand. If there is no questions, if you have understood everything, now raise up your hands if you have not, if you have understood. Okay. Okay. Everyone have understood. Okay, great. Thank you everyone. Thank you for raising your precious hands. Okay. Let us move forward. Similarly, yesterday most of them asked me, sir, what if I want to put here an image instead of this background color? What I want to put the image there. Okay, let us do that. How to do that instance? Let me get an image. For image, the tag is img img src equals to, okay. So then alt. This one. You can keep blank this. I just have to paste the link here. Let me take any of the image. Yesterday I took gorilla image. Now I'll not take that one. I'll take some different image. No worries of the gorilla. I'll take horse. This one is awesome. Just right click, address. You just have to copy the address and you should paste it. So you've got it right. Let me style. Let me style the image here. Okay. Let me style. Let me style the image. img and let me do it like I'll keep the width constant so that it's more in height. So let me keep the width constant. Width equals to 200 pixels. Yes, 2000 pixels, huh? 200 pixels. Let me remove the background color of it. Okay, now I'll bring this here. Bring that, what should I do means I should reduce this one. Okay, I should increase the pairing of right one. 90, let me do it 100 or 130. No, 150. No, 70. 80. Yes. No, we'll do it 90. Yeah, now it's good. So I've got this one right. Similarly, we have understood pairing, right? Similarly, we have understood pairing. Similarly, like pairing only, we have something called as margin. Margin. What is the difference between margin and the pairing in sense? Pairing gives you the inner layout, right? In the inner, it will give you some space. Similarly, margin, it will give you the outer space. I'll explain you. So here, see here, if I'm giving margin here, see there is no gap here. For image also and here also there is no gap here. Okay, I'm giving margin 20 pixels. See, it gives you space around margin. Okay, so this is the difference. Understood, right? I'll do like just put the margin here. Similarly, like padding, top, bottom, right, everything, we have for margin also. You can do margin top, bottom, left, everything. As of now, I'll do it like margin, bottom. Okay, bottom 20 pixels. See, it it throws away. But I want the name to be on this. It should not go away. I'll do it like I'll do minus. Let's put minus. It is going near now. Minus 50. Oh, minus 70. Oh, minus 50. Okay, minus 60. Okay, I'll increase the padding bit. I'll do it 200. Let me remove this one. See, people. Now we have got it. Okay. Now we have placed the name on top of the image. Let me change the color so that I have applied this font family, so it is getting so the color is not getting applied. Okay. Everyone have understood the margin and the padding, right? So now you can do it like, see, you can add the padding here. Then with the minus, you can write here something, and with the minus padding, with the minus margin, you can get it inside. Then you can start designing the page, complete page. Everyone have understood the margin and padding? Just raise up your hands, people, if you have understood margin padding. Please raise up your hands. Okay. Most of you have understood margin and padding. Oh, okay. Margin and padding, I've understood. Just give me a moment. Okay, thank you for raising your hands, people. Now raise hands. Those who have not understand this one, please raise up your hands. Those who have not understand, raise up your hands. Yashwant. Yes, Yashwant, you can unmute yourself. Yes, Swapna ma'am, you can unmute yourself and you can speak. Let Swapna ma'am speak. Hello. Ma'am, are you there? Okay. Yashwant, you can unmute yourself and you can speak.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಪ್ಯಾಡಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಅದು ಬರ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬರ್ದಾಗ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಸರ್? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ನ ನೀವು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ,
ಓಕೆ,
ಅದನ್ನ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಯಾವುದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದು?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ನ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ನ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲಾಂಗ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟು ಲಾಂಗ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ.
Reducing the font size, right?
Font size I have not yet reduced it, right? Yashwant, ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು font size reduce ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಹೌದಾ ಸರ್?
ಫಾಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಫಾಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Okay, I think everyone have understood. If anyone have any doubt, please you can unmute yourself and you can speak. If you are unable to unmute yourself, you can just do it like raise up your hand so that I can unmute yourself, so that I can unmute you. Okay, I think everyone have understood. Let us move forward now. Okay, we have this assessment for everyone. Okay, let me announce it properly. we have this assessment for everyone. We'll be giving you this image with which you can put your name here. For example, it's you can put Dr. Shahid. Don't put my name. I'm just telling you. You can put your name, Dr. Shahid, anything. I'll put my name here and change this image. Okay, I'll put this image. We should do like, see here. There is a border here, white border, and the complete body color is different. Okay, color is different, and the body and the white background white. This one here. Then we have this one. No, see in this border, whatever the band we have, on the band they have written this name. And how to do that? I think everyone have get it. Just doing the margin minus, you can get it inside. Then you can do. I think everyone knows to do this, right? Saida, if you have any doubt, you can just unmute yourself and get speak.
सर असाइनमेंट करना है उसको वही इमेज डालना है या हम कोई भी चूज करके डाल सकते हैं?
कोई भी image डाल सकते हो, your wish. You can put your image also here.
ओके
ಹಲೋ ಸರ್.
Yes.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಅದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೇ?
Yes, ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಬಹುದು. Okay. So we till Thursday we have time for the for the submission of the first assessment. This will be your first web page you'll be designing for yourself. Okay, you can put your name. I think everyone knows to do this. This is an ordered list. You can do an ordered list, and this one, right? I'm not taught this one. This field, right? Put your here. You can put your email ID, and there is a button here. Everyone knows to put the button here. Let me tell you how to put this field. Okay, we just have to do it like go to HTML. Okay, go to HTML, put input, type input, just closing tag, sorry, closing tag of input, closing tag of input. Just do it like type see, we have got this one here. Please give me a moment, people. We've got this one here. You can directly type here. Okay, whatever you want, you can type here your name, email ID, and how to make it like we have already here this one, right? Email ID written here, and how to do that? You just have to go here. This one, it should be type text. Sorry. A lot of spelling mistakes in my English. I always do this. Okay, then the thing you should be the text here. What you should input here. For that, you should do it like just placeholder. So it will placeholder. You can write whatever you want here, like enter name. See here. This will give the information that we should enter our name here. Okay. See here. I've given type text, right? If you're giving here number, we can only type numbers here. We cannot type text here. We can only type numbers. And you can see in our website, in. So you go to the courses of Haadi. This is what Haadi. And if you're going here, this one, what's the session? There is a password field here. As soon as if you're typing something, it's it's hidden, kind of encryption. Okay, and how to do that? Simple. Just go here and type. Don't put text. Don't put anything. Just put password. As simple as that. It will be encrypted. See here. Nobody can see it. Isn't it like magic? So whatever is necessary for the assessment, this type text button, this one, everything we have got, right? Any doubts? Any questions? I think everyone have understood this. Someone is raising your hand. Is it nobody? If everyone have understood, please raise up your hand so they can understand whether you have understood or not. Okay, everyone have understood. So till Thursday, people, till Thursday you have time to submit this assessment. I have given the link in the group also. Please go through the link and submit the assessment. Because for certification, assessment is important. Please do the assessment. Okay. So someone is asking for more designs, more examples. Let us move forward. Okay. Let us learn something new today. Today I'll be teaching you something different, something interesting, something that already everyone knows. I think that, no, not everyone. Let me take any of the paragraph. Let me take essay. Let me take something from my website itself. From our website itself, but let me take this one. Okay, we'll see. We have few of the HTML properties. This is not related to CSS. We'll see. Just here, put P paragraph. People, let me know if I'm going fast or let me know if I'm going slow. We have this one, right? We have something called as break. Okay, you can break the lines here. For example, after comma, I want to break. Just do it like for the tag is, just put BR. Just put BR. It will be a break here. BR is a tag. I think just understand. BR is a tag. It will break the lines. Okay. Yesterday someone asked me, sir, how to make it bold. Where is that guy? Can he raise the hand? Yesterday who asked me that how to make bold? Yes. Tausif, you can unmute yourself and you can say it's me. It's
Hi,
you,
sir.
right? Yeah. Hi, Tausif. How are you?
Yes, yes,
Okay. Okay. Good. See, how to make it bold, right? For example, if I have my name here, see, I want to make it bold, the motivating part. I'm just telling you this because just because in this we have this thing bold here, and here also we have bold here. This is bold. This is in bold. How to do that? Okay, just do your motivating. For that, the tag is strong. See, everything becomes bold. So just put here closing tag after motivating. See, now the motivating is strong now. It is bold. Okay, you just have to put bold or strong over there. It will be bolded. It will be highlighting your name over there. Okay. So let us move forward. We have a few other properties. Let me show you. We have something called as emphasize. For that, it will emphasize your name here. Okay. For that, you should just do it like a PM. Let's put AM. See, it's kind of italic now. In the complete paragraph, there is something different in this word. Even though it will as soon as you see, it will not attract you that much. But while reading it, right, it will actually grab your attention here. Okay, we have something called this one, and we'll let us move to some other properties. It's just an HTML, people, just simple HTML. Okay, see here now. For example, I want to strike this. Always think. I just want to strike it out. First, you just have to do it like just put S. See, I got strike to this. It's got strike. Okay, S is a tag for striking it. Okay, then we have U for underline. U is for underline. See, I don't want to underline for this one. I'll underline for some other element. The career guidance we have here. Let me underline for this word. Okay. U. See, career guidance. Okay. So just like I just want to put the horizontal line before this. After this them, I just want to put the horizontal line. Like we have in our website, like we have over, let me show you where it is. However, in place of line, we have put this one. If I want to put a line here, how will I do it? Just do it like, don't put line here in the tag, just do HR, opening tag, and just closing tag, HR. Just simple tags which will make your text more attractive. People, I think as of now, how many tags I have told you all the tags? How many tags I have told you? I think everyone have understood this. Please raise up your hands if you have understood. Everyone are here? Please raise up your hands if you have understood it completely, all the tags. Okay, most of you have understood. Oh, great. Thank you, people. Thank you for raising your hands. Okay. Okay. Now, if you have any doubts, any questions, please raise your hands. Any doubts, any questions? Because now we'll be moving to CSS properties, very important properties. Chandana. Oh, yes, Chandana, you can just unmute yourself and you can ask.
So for break tags, shouldn't we close the tags br slash br?
No, you don't have to. Where will you close it?
Don't
It's
want to
not
close for
necessary.
break tag.
Not necessary. You don't have to.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
So, any other questions? Just raise up your hands if you have any questions. Okay, great. Let us move forward. Let us move to CSS now. Let me teach you this one. I think everyone have become expert with the H1 tag. Those who have not practiced, please keep on practicing. Welcome. Or else you can do it. For this, you can do it one more thing. You can just do it like you can type everything here for this outer color. You just do it like cover it with the div element. Just cover with the div element, but remove this. People, someone asked me in the previous this one. Let me tell you. Someone asked me in this one how to change the color of the complete page. Complete page. How to change the color? For example, here we have complete page in this color, right? Not the complete page, but then how to do that? You just have to do it like, just go to this. We have the body tag here. See, people, these are the HTML basic tags which are important. HTML head tag we have, then we have body tag. Leave over this metadata and title. This one we'll be going through this again in the later classes. We have HTML head tag and the body tag. You just have to, whatever we'll be doing HTML, right? HTML, CSS, everything we'll be doing in the body tag. Whatever we'll be doing in the body tag, we'll be doing. Okay. You just have to do it like, you just have to style the body tag. Similarly, whatever you did for the background color, like, see, the complete body is colored now. Now, whatever you're typing, H1, okay, H2, whatever you're typing, it will be there. But your complete page color is, wherever you go, but your complete page color is changed now. It's changed to green. Okay. I think most of you have. I think everyone have understood how to change the body color. Let us move forward to some more properties. I was about to show you the div property, the magic of the div elements. See, inside the div element, there is an opening tag and the closing tag of the div element, right? There is an opening tag and the closing tag of the div element, right? Here you can put your image inside the image. Inside you can do anything you want. So it can act like a container. You can put h1 inside this. H1 opening tag and the closing tag. P tag you can put image over here. Or see, put image over here. Sorry, you can put image over here. You can just paste the image link. Let me take any of the image over here. Image, sorry, eagle. Let me take this eagle image. This is not good. I'm getting afraid of it. So, okay, this one is good. इसके तो आंखें उजली हो गई हमें. Okay, let's copy the image address and just do it like paste it over here. Image is too big, huh? Width of the image should be 100 pixels. I'll keep it 100 pixels. No, of 100, I'll make it a little bit 300 pixels. Okay, good. Even though it's not responsive, but I just want to show you this is also. Welcome to my website. Okay. Now, at the div element here, right? If I'm changing the color of the div element, background color of the div element, see the complete color. The div element is acting like a container to h1 and image because we have put it h1 and image in this div element. Okay, I think everyone have understood the concept of div element. Wherever you want, you can use the div element. Inside of div element also, you can use the div element when that condition comes. Let me tell you now. Inside of div element also, you can use a div element when that condition comes. Let me teach you. See, for example, if I want to make a box, simple box for any kind of animations, so people please understand. These are the very really important properties we are going through. So, if I want to make any box here, example, this one, right? Now, even though I have given the background color as orange, you cannot see here because there is no any kind of property here. Let me put the width. Width is equals to 100 pixels and height is equals to 100 pixels. See, now I've got the box here. Okay. Inside this box, I want to place another box. At that time, I'll do it like copy the style. It's the same, right? Copy the style. I'll put any ID in this one inside whatever that I'll put any of the ID. I'll put game. People, I think everyone know how to style the ID, right? Hashtag. Let's put game. Here I should change the color. Change this to green. Let me make this 50 pixels. See, now you can see there is a box inside the box. Okay, development. I think everyone have understood it. Clear, everyone? If you're clear with this concept, please raise up your hands so they can understand whether you have understood this developments or not. Mastar, okay, Mohammed Tausif, please raise up your
Hello,
hands,
sir.
people. Yes, Chandana.
Sir, can you explain me that Ash games? How is that ID in the Ash game?
So see, for hashtag last time you can watch my last video. I told you, for styling any of the element you can use IDs and classes. Okay. You were not there in the last class, Chandana?
I was there, sir. I was there, sir.
Okay. You can use this ID classes and this one. You can just I'll send you the link of the previous video. You can just watch it. You'll understand classes and areas.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Any other questions? Any other questions? Any other doubts, people? Any questions? Any doubts? Please raise up your hand. I'll understand. Okay. If you have any questions, please unmute yourself and you can ask. No questions? No doubts? I think no questions, no doubts. Okay. Let us move forward now. Okay. Let me move forward. First, I'll do it like paragraph. Let us move again to this one. HTML, not the HTML, but the CSS properties. Remove this also. Everyone have understood it. Let me copy something from my website. Copy this one now. Define MIDI into areas. Okay, we'll do it like I'll add the p tag. I just add the p tag here. Okay, it's just the styling of this one. We have something called as text. We have one more property here. Okay, similarly, how to style everything. Similarly, you should style the p element also. We have something called as the text transform. Transform. Okay, we have few properties here. Please note it down, everyone. Yesterday there was some glitch, so we couldn't record the video. We did not got the video. I know it sounds kind of hilarious, but that's a fact. There was a glitch. Okay. I want text here, whatever the text is there here, I want this text to be, in all in uppercase. At that time, what I'll do is uppercase, all in caps. I'll just do it like uppercase. See, everything got into capital letters. Okay, I think everyone have understood this. Let us move forward to some other properties. We have something called as lowercase. Everything is lowercase. What if I want only the initial word to be only the initial word to be in the capitalized, only the initial word to be capitalized. Every word of this single one should be capitalized, and everything should rest and all should be in a small. How to do that? Just do it like capitalize. So see, we've got this one. Every word's first letter is capital. Let's say if I want just only this, how we have here, only W to be caps. Everything is here. N also is caps now. Only W I want to be caps. I'll do like for that the property is initial. See, you got it. I think N is not changing its property. Okay. Okay. We'll use this property once more. No, it's not really working. We'll look after this later. As of now, remember this properties: uppercase, lowercase, capitalize, and don't use this initial. Okay, I think everyone have understood this. Clear? People, any doubts? Any doubts? Any questions? Please raise up your hand if you have any doubt, any question. Please raise up your hand so that I can. If there are no doubts, please raise up your hands now. If you have understood everything, please raise up your hands. Okay. ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Thank you. If I have to explain in Kannada, please, in any other language, please let me know. Unmute yourself and let me know. Okay. Thank you, thank you. You can raise down your hands, please. I have understood that you're clear with the concept. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Let us move forward now. See, I'll teach you something. How to make it responsive. Responsive text. For example, for desktop, it is okay. Let it be this much itself. Okay. अभी जितना बड़ा दिख रहा है ये text, it's a normal one. Okay, size of the text. Yashwant was asking me this question. Okay, how to make it big, how to make it small, right? How to reduce the size, how to increase the size. There's something called the same. We have here. Let me. Here we go. Okay. First of all, we have font size. Okay. Font size we have. You can put any of the size you want. 50 pixels, 30 pixels, any of the size. Yashwant, I think you have got how to do it, right? Any of the size you can put here. But how to make it responsive? I think everyone have understood this. How to make it responsive for the text. For desktop, it is okay. If it is looking this much of big, it is okay. For mobile phone also, if it is looking this much of big, 50 pixels of big, this text. Isn't it like no complete mobile phone will be covered only with the text? Okay. How to make it responsive? Let us see how to do that. You just have to do it like just do hashtag media. Just do media. Okay. Just put the condition here. Okay. So I'll do it like max width. Max width 300 pixels. Even you can see here. You can see here pixels. As soon as it is 300 pixels or less than that, it should change its size. Okay. I'll do it like just P tag I'm designing, right? P tag. I'll just reduce the font size. Copy and paste this here. Font size must be 20 pixels. It's not getting error, huh? Okay, I've changed. This one is. See, people, see the magic. As soon as if it is more than, see, I've told you maximum width. If it is 300 pixels or less than this, okay, 300 pixels or less than this, it will become the condition. It will follow the condition whatever you have mentioned here. Font size. I want when it is 300 pixels or less than this, I want it to be 20 pixels, not more than that. If it is more than 300 pixels, it can take the normal position. See, if I'm see here, see the observe this pixels. See, if I'm going below 300 pixels or 300 pixels, see the font size. Okay. Similarly, you can add here color. You can add here anything you want. Anything. Some people have a color blindness issue. For that and all, you can do it here easily. If you want the color to be changed here, you can do it anything. It isn't it like magic? See, in desktop you have something, but in mobile phone you have something else. Okay. So if I reduce this, it's some kind of magic, people. Everyone have understood this, right? Media query. How to add it for media query? You can add the media query. This is called as media query. This media query you can add anywhere. For images you can add. You just have to put image here. For IDs you can add. For IDs you can add here. This is the responsive property, people. Please remember this property. Media query. You can put minimum also here. You can put maximum also. Most of the time it's maximum. Minimum your wish. Any doubts? Any questions? Please raise up your hands if you have any doubts, any questions regarding this media, the making responsive, everything. No doubts, no questions. I think there is no doubts, any questions. Please raise up your hands if you have understood everything. Please raise up your hands. Can't see any hands raised here. Rest and all have doubts, I think. Okay. Most of you have raised the hand, not most of you, only few of them. Okay. Those who have questions, please you can unmute yourself, or you can now you raise your hand so that I can unmute so that you can ask the questions. Those who have questions, you can just raise your hands. Sayyid. Yes, Sayyid, if you have a question, you can just unmute yourself and you can ask. Sayyid?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No
Sayyid.
doubt,
You
sir.
have no doubts?
Uh,
Okay, great.
no.
Yashwant, you can unmute yourself and you can speak now.
ಸರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿವ್ ಅದೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿವ್ ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಶವಂತ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಕ್ವೆರಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಕ್ವೆರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 200 ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 200 ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ ಬಿಡ್ತು, ನನಗೆ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಂಟ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಫಾಂಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಏನಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಇದೇನಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ 300 ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ 20 ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಫಾಂಟ್ ಸೈಜು ಮತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 300 ಇಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು. 300 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಥವಾ 300 ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದು ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, 20 ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. I think I have answered the question, Yashwant. Any doubts, any questions, people, as of now? If there is no questions, please raise up your hands, everyone, so that I can understand everyone have understood. Okay. Okay, great. Everyone have understood. Great. Okay, thank you, everyone. Thank you for raising up your hands. Okay, let us move forward. Or should we move forward, or shall I stop it? So that you can continue with your assessment part. Unmute yourself and you can answer. So that I should continue or should I stop?
We'll stop for today, sir, so that we can finish up our assignments also.
Sure, ma'am. I'll do this. So, ma'am, by the way, how was your experience? Yesterday, I did not ask you the question because yesterday I think you were not there.
Hello? So you're asking me?
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday you were not there, I think. So I thought of
Yes.
asking you the question.
Exactly, because yesterday I had class also. So Saturdays for us it's working day. So that's the
I can
reason I had
understand.
messaged you also. So actually,
Yes.
much interesting and very informative as such. Okay, because always we see, because even we have a small business, not a big one. So I was always thinking about designing, and I used to always ask some of my students if they can help me out.
Okay.
So after seeing this, immediately I thought, let me register, and so I'm actually eager to, in fact, design one, and I'll surely post it to you as well.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much for. Ma'am, did you try to make any? Did you try yourself making HTML anything after this class? No, previous classes last time. I know you'll not get a lot of time, but then too, if you
Sir,
tried.
seriously, no, because there are so many FDPs which I had registered also, but still I'm attending classes only on Sundays.
Yes, I can
So
understand.
so videos are there, so I'll have to see today. I'll just see and I'll go through, sir. Today I'll
Sure,
try
ma'am.
to see.
Sure. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Actually, it's very informative.
Okay. So as of now, I think we have covered a lot of HTML properties, lot of CSS properties. Small properties can bring up a lot of changes. So people, this is your first assessment. So best of luck for everyone. Work hard on this. If you're designing your
Thank you.
best project, everyone will be, you will be ranked more. And let me show you this one. These people, Haadi people asked me to design a page. So from 3 days I was designing it. Let me show you this one. Your profile, where it will be here. As soon as once you're getting qualified and you're getting your certificate, your profile. See this one. You will be here in learners with Haadi. You'll be here. Yesterday I designed it. it will be here, your profile. As soon as you click on this, okay, you will be shown all over the world, a complete world. If anyone types your name on the Google, your profile will be displayed here. So your progress, whatever you will be doing, your progress here, your confidence level, your speaking, your creativity, everything. And very important thing, your skills, whatever you have learned here, it will be shown here. And the very important thing, the certificate verification, your ID will be given to you. For example, if you want any, freelancing job, or you want free, any kind of if you're doing part-time job, you can just give the ID to company people. For example, I have designed here, I have a secret ID for me. You just have to put my ID, press enter, my certificate, verified certificate with the message will be shown here. See, isn't it great? See?
Yes.
As soon as I click, as soon as I click here, you'll get a certificate. Those people have not given me certificate, so I've just put it a blank one. So please request everyone, if you have any doubts, practice this. If you have any doubts, any questions, just just take a screenshot of your code and put it in the group, or else you can directly message me so that I can answer to your queries, your doubts, everything. I've covered whatever is necessary to do this project, to do this first page. I have covered everything. So I think I'm done with the class. If there is no doubts, please raise up your hands, everyone, so that I can end up the class.
Sir, I just had a small question.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I just wanted to know how different it is, means the website you are showing, that the JB one, with the Google site, sir. Means can we design even the Google site, or this would be better than Google site?
Which Google site, ma'am? I didn't understand.
Okay, because yesterday when
This
I was
site.
just Googling, yeah, it
Uh,
was in just Google site only. It is termed only as Google site.
okay, if I'm typing in Google, if I'm
Yeah.
typing here Haadi or
No, Google site only is there. Google site.
Google site, we have a
Yeah.
Google.
SIT.
Okay, Google sites that we can design in our Google Drive, right?
Yeah,
That one you're
yeah,
speaking, ma'am? Yes.
yeah,
So
yeah.
here there is limited content. I have seen the Google contents here. Here there is a
Uh-huh.
limited content which we can do.
Okay, so this
Whatever
is
there
better.
is,
You. Hmm.
whatever there is here, only that we can use. We can, we cannot think out of the box here, and we cannot do. Okay. As of you can see in
Okay.
our website, we have a lot of things here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Are a lot of things. You can see here animations. You can see, you know, you can see this
Okay.
one. GIFs. We have added a lot of things, and there is no limit. And we have
So
our
the in
own
the
this one also.
sir, in the place where we were adding images, can we add GIFs address also?
Yes, we can do that.
Okay.
Just the GIF address, if you're copying and if you're pasting, you will get the GIF address. You will get the GIFs.
Yeah. Hmm. Okay.
Any other questions,
Thank
ma'am?
you, sir. No, sir, nothing as such.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your questions. And I think we should wind up the class. It's almost time. So request everyone to submit your assessment before Thursday. If any doubts, any questions, you can just ask. We have 3 assessments. First one is HTML, CSS, which I have already given you the images. This image will be shared you personally, as well as in the group already we have shared. HTML, CSS. Second one is animation, complete animation, how to do. We'll do it that. Third one is you will make your own website. We'll be providing you the domains, free domains and the free hostings. With that, you can make your own website.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, everyone, and thank you for attending class. Please reach out to us if any doubts, any questions. And let me wind up the class. Wasim, you want to say something?
No, Shahid.
I think we should wind up, right? We have covered a lot today.
Yes, tell them the date of submission, date and time.
Yes. Stay the Thursday. It's on 7th. 7th 12 p.m. will be the deadline of the link, whatever I have shared. After that, you cannot share your project, whatever you have done. After that, you cannot share your assessment, whatever you have done. Please go through the videos if you have any doubts. Okay, so 12 p.m. Thursday, 7th of May, 12 p.m. will be the deadline for sharing your assessments. Anything else, Wasim?
No, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining the class, and wish you all the best for your assessments. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone.